Guys, welcome to Care. Today I'm going to show you how to perform rigid pavement design using XPAVE. Okay, so I have here the reference manual of the XPAVE and this is our application, XPAVE. So let's take a look at the table of contents here. So I go directly with the rigid pavement design. So this is under part 6 and so I have also some concepts in pavement rigid pavement design and and then no so Jamsela 1993 H2 rigid pavement structural design and the design of rigid pavement. So ito na, no? So ito yung solve natin using XPAVE. So ito yung condition: a segment of a rural two-lane road with no pavement will be realigned and reconstruct, no? 5 years after the traffic study was undertaken, it is anticipated that the plan's preparation, design, and construction will be finished. So the EADT for the current stretch is 1365 both direction. So for trucks, buses, and jeepney, the percentage of traffic is 15, 15, and 40 respectively. Trucks have an axle load of 9 tons, buses have an axle load of 8 tons, and jeepney have an axle load of 4 tons. So trucks, buses, and jeepneys all experience traffic increase rates of 6%, 5%, and 4% respectively. So design life of the concrete pavement is 25 years. Assume rolling terrain, concrete strength is 650 psi, and assume a reliability factor of 90%. The pavement slope of 2% and 4% for shoulder slope. And design a Portland cement concrete pavement to carry the traffic indicated. So, meron din dito sa reference manual ng mga conventional solution. No? And aside from conventional solution, I have also attached the rigid pavement design calculation using XPAVE. Okay? And so, ngayon is let's solve this one using XPAVE. So let's minimize this one for a while and let's open our application. Okay, so click ko lang to. Yan. Okay, so if you are already a registered user, so I'll just space my activation key and then I'll just log in, no? Kasi naka-register na ako. So click ko lang yung login and then you have successfully logged in, you're authorized to use this application. Okay, so ito na yung user interface ng XPAVE. So input lang natin yung mga values. Problem. So for EADT, so that is 1365. And then dito sa N, we have 5 years. So that is the period in years that the plan preparation, design, and construction is expected to complete from the time the traffic survey was conducted. So yung capital N naman, that is the design life of the pavement in years. So we have, so double click mo lang yung cell, no, para maka-input ka. And then 50-50 yung split natin. So for the road classification, we have this design criteria. So I'll just use minimum. And dito naman is rolling topography. Kasi yung binigay sa condition is rolling terrain. So dito naman sa subgrid strength, uh, wala lang, no? Kasi wala nang binigay doon. No? Di ba? So wala lang to. Okay, so blank lang natin yan. And then dito we have the truck. And we have buses. And we have jeepneys. So dito naman sa traffic proportion, we have 15, 15, and 40. Sa axle load, we have 9,000, 8,000, and 4,000. And then sa graphic growth, we have 6. So double click mo lang yung cell. And 2. So we have now the total misan 12 point, oh no, this is 5 and 4. 5 and 4. So yan na, no? So we have 13.13. So to view the computation of ESAL, so you can under view, just select ESAL calculation, and we have this one. Ayan, no? So ito na yan. So ito yung computation niya. So end of the period traffic in million ESAL. Okay. So you can also view the road classification. So sa XPAVE, automatic na siya na yung maghahanap na. So kasi dito, minimum rolling topography, and we have EEDT na 1365. So si XPAVE na yung maghahanap dito sa table 3.1 ng DPWH. No? So kung anong road type siya. No? So which is here we have a road type na primary. Ito pala yun. And then the design speed, radius, grade, pavement width, shoulder width, RROW, super elevation, PST, and also the type of servicing. So just close that one. You can also view the traffic load factors and flexible chassis for flexible pavement, and also the pavement materials. So after we have inputted all the values here, so pwede na tayong mag-perform ng rigid pavement design. Just click this icon here. It will open this dialog box, or you can go to design and select rigid pavement design. So ito yun. So dito sa concrete textural strength, given yan. So we select 650. And then sa reliability factor, we have 90%. Subgrade is 12. And sealant joint failure, let's select D1190741970. Okay, so then click design. Values has been assigned. Okay. And we have now the design. Okay, so makikita natin dito na ito yung pavement, and we have this longitudinal joint, and we have contraction joint. No? Then we have also this one, construction joints at the middle third. No? Okay, and this one we have also construction joint coincide with the plan construction joint. Okay. And we have also this different thickness. This is a construction joint coincide with plant contraction joints. Then we have these longitudinal joints and construction joints at middle third. And also we have these contraction joints. So makikita mo din dito yung different layer ng mga thickness. No? So bali dito sa rigid pavement, we have 285 mm. So makikita mo yan dito. So rigid pavement layers, ito yan. So we have 285. For sub-base course, we have 150. And for improved subgrade, optional, pag yung CBR natin is less than or equal to 5, we put 125 for improved na subgrade. Okay? So take note also na yung longitudinal joint and construction joint at middle third, meron tayo dito key. So if we scroll down here sa baba, we have also automated na rigid pavement joint specification. No? So we have this contraction joint and naka-detail yan. And aside from that, meron din tayong figure for that. No? And construction joint, dalawa to, no? So we have these transverse construction joints and construction joints coincide with the plan, contraction joint, and construction joints at middle third, and also with the key details. So makikita din natin yan dito sa figure. No? Ayan. So the dimension are also given. And we have also this longitudinal construction joint, and so which is also yung figure is also reflected here together with the dimensions and also the sealant. So yun na, no? So ganun lang kadali mag perform ng rigid pavement design. So we can now uh, click on report and then select rigid report to view the calculation. No? So yan. So ito yung calculation ng rigid pavement. Yan. So you can view the calculation also. Okay, so we can close this one and we can also print kung ano yung data. No? Ayan. Okay, so I hope klaro to. And you can also, kung gusto mo lang ito lang yung i-print, you can also do that. And then go to file, print, and select print selection. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I hope you find XPAVE useful, and thank you for watching. So if you like XPAVE, you can leave a message to my Facebook page in the description below. So God bless everyone. Cheers.